Do you dream of long, silky, shiny, and luscious hair? What if I told you just 5 simple ingredients in the flax seeds could transform your hair like magic? Today we are making our famous red serum, a powerful all-natural remedy for extreme hair growth. Say goodbye to the hair fall and hello to healthier, faster growing locks. Stay tuned and let's wisp up to this game-changing hair potion together. Select a pan with a thick base. Using a pan with a thick base ensures even heat distribution, preventing the ingredients from burning and allowing for a consistent infusion. Now we have to add dried hibiscus flowers in it. You have to take around 5 to 6 dried hibiscus flower, but if you are using fresh hibiscus, then you have to double the quantity. Make sure to wash the hibiscus flower thoroughly before using it to remove all the impurities. Hibiscus flowers are not only good for your hair growth, but will also help you to reverse your gray hair if you have so. If you have hibiscus leaves, you should add them too. Now to increase its potency, we're gonna add fenugreek seeds here. We all know how fenugreek is important not just for our hair but also for our scalp health. If you need shine in your hair, luster, and want to get rid of dandruff, then start using fenugreek seeds. You would need around 1.5 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds here. Now we'll add some water in it. This is not just regular water, but this is hot water. For this remedy, make sure to use hot water only. This is very important step, so do not miss it. Normally, we just add water at room temperature and boil it. In that way, some of the nutrients in the remedy get destroyed by boiling. If you'll make it in a way I am explaining you, then I promise you will get 100% benefits of it. It is not complete here yet. I'll explain you what to add next, so be with me. After adding hot water, wait for around 30 minutes and then put it on the stove on medium flame. It is very important to know the quantity of every ingredient. If you remember hibiscus flowers, which we chose dried here, we have taken around 5 to 6 of those. You can check in the end how much quantity we'll be making and then you can amend the quantity accordingly. But make sure to keep the same ratio of the ingredients. You even can make it and sell it and start your own business. If you are using fresh hibiscus flowers, then double the quantity of flowers. But make sure to wash them before use. Fenugreek seeds we have taken around 1.5 tablespoons. When the bubbles start coming, then keep boiling it and boil it till 4 to 5 boils come. Will take around 15 to 20 minutes for that. Here the water quantity will keep reducing, but do not worry. When you see it bubbling, you can add curry leaves now. Curry leaves is important for your hair. It strengthens your hair follicles and increase your hair length also. You can use the fresh or dried curry leaves. Here I am using fresh curry leaves, but I have washed them before and I have dried them. So in this way I can use this for a longer period of time. Anyone of you who have white hair, do use curry leaves in your remedies and also eat them in your diet. They will not only help you to reverse your grey hair, but will also help the new hair to come black. Now we'll be adding our next ingredient, which is ginger. There have been many studies for ginger for hair growth, but one of them shows that patients with alopecia areata use ginger and they had positive results after using it. Ginger is very strong, so be mindful of the quantity you will take. Do not take more. You can see how much I have taken here in how much water, so it can be diluted easily. If you take more quantity, it might cause harm than benefit. Always do the patch test before using these ingredients. When all the ingredients are added, then keep it boiling for 10 more minutes. So total it was about 30 minutes on medium flame. Do not hurry as we need all the potent effects of these ingredients. Now cover it and keep it there for 15 minutes. Then again open it and strain it. Many of my patients who take personal appointments with me are using this and getting benefits from this remedy. I have strained it and divided into 2 parts, one for the toner and the other one for the serum. The remaining part you should not discard it as we have boiled it a lot. You can see it's already soft and tender. Now add flax seeds into the pan which already has the ingredients we added before. Flax seeds give shine to your hair, strengthens your hair and makes a protective layer around your hair which prevents it from breaking down. Now add the water which we have strained before. I have added around 1.5 cups of that toner. You can add according to your hair length. Because this is not just the regular water, this is the herbal toner. So even if you put more, it will not give you any disadvantage, trust me. So just trust and try it today only. Now keep it on stove and boil it. Do you know why did we not add the flax seeds before while we were making the toner? If any one of you know, comment down below. Or else I'm here to tell you. We have added flax seeds later because if we add flax seeds before, it might get thicker and in gel form quicker. So if we add it before with the other ingredients, then all those other ingredients could not get enough time to infuse within. After a couple of minutes, it has started to become in this gel form. You can see here. Strain it while it is hot and do not wait for it to cool down. Otherwise, it will be thickened and it will be very difficult for us to strain it later. All the ingredient left after straining, make sure to squeeze it so all the gel comes out and use those remaining ingredients as a hair mask. After the gel cools down, it will become like this. You can see how jelly consistency it has, but it is not sticky at all, trust me. Store it into a clean and washed container. Try using a container which has a nozzle or a hole at the top. You can ideally use a squeezer bottle. Don't keep it open or put your hand directly into it, as we don't want any germs or other contaminations to go inside. You have to apply it daily, doesn't matter it's your hair wash day or not. If you have a hair wash day, apply it after your hair wash as a styling gel and it will give you its double benefit for sure. Not only this gel, but you have to apply a hair oil also and a hair toner also. For those remedies, just click on the screen above and you will see that video. I'll see you in this video. Till then, bye bye.